Hello friends, today I'm back with my latest video and today I'm going to tell you about how can you increase the speed of your fidget spinner by 2 tips. The first thing you have to do that you have to remove the top cover of this bearings. The next task you have to do that you have to remove the bearing from the socket so we can improve the speed of the bearing. So friends, we have removed the bearing from the socket. The first step you have to follow that you have to use some toothpaste on it. As toothpaste is an antioxidant which removes the all grease of the bearings. We have to spread the toothpaste in all parts of the bearing so the toothpaste got fully immersed in the bearings. Like this. And after 2 minutes you have to use some water so it can rotate better. I have done it properly. After I will wash it with water. After washing it you have to use a cloth and clean it properly so the all grease and toothpaste get clean. So the bearing is properly clean. And the second tip is that you have to use a little bit perfume on it so the bearing can work properly. You have to spray it 2 times only because it can damage it also. Again spread it and clean with it the cloth. You can use this tip with all time. It is an antioxidant which can remove all grease, and you can use these tips both at a time. So friends, and we will see that for how much time it is rotating for. And the first thing you have to do that you have to put this in the socket. And after putting this into socket you have to wrap with the cover. And the last thing you have to do that you have give it half an hour time to dry it properly. After half an hour you have to close the cover properly. It is properly wrapped. And the last thing we have to do that we will measure the time. We will take how much time it is rotating for. So this is a stopwatch and we will take the mean time for start. Sorry, 1 minute. I have done a mistake. I have mistakenly touched it, and now we will take how much time it is moving for. So friends, it is rotating yet. It is 1 minute 52 seconds. And see for how much minutes it can move. So friends, it is rotating for approximately 2 minutes 5 seconds. And you can share this tip with friends. It is a very improving trick which can use with your fidget spinner to increase its speed. So friends, if you have liked the video, please subscribe, share and comment on it. Thank you. Have a nice day.